The clearing was an oddity in Pixie Hollow, a patch of soft moss ringed by ancient roots, where the air held its breath and the sunlight seemed always muted. For most fairies, it was a place best avoided. Their wings grew strangely heavy, and a hush fell so absolute that even laughter faded away before it could echo. They called it Stillwood Glade, and whispered of its strange ways. Tinker Bell, however, could not resist curiosity or a good puzzle, whether tangled gears, a misfired dust spell, or a glade steeped in stillness. The whispers of her friends reached her as she sat atop a spool by the Tinker's Nook. "Don't go there," Silvermist murmured, nervously drawing patterns in the morning dew. "It's like something is pressing you down. Not even the rainbow fairies feel right when they land." Tinker Bell twirled her favorite screwdriver. "That's exactly why I want to see it." Alone at dusk, she fluttered to the clearing's edge. At once, the familiar zing of energy in her wings dulled. Wind stopped in her hair. She hovered uncertainly, the silence settling over her like a veil. She landed, feet sinking into lush moss. Around her, the world grew unusually clear. No chittering squirrels, no rustle of leaves, only her breath and the slow beat of a quiet heart. Tinker Bell sat cross-legged, laying her toolbox aside. She tried at first to fix it. She waved her wand, spoke words she barely understood, attempted a dozen repair spells, and even wound a small music box to restore sound. None of it worked. The silence, heavy and patient, remained. Frustrated, she tried to leave, only to find her wings heavier than ever, each flutter fizzling before it could lift her. She stopped trying. Closing her eyes, Tinker Bell listened, not with her ears, but with her heart. She noticed a strange sensation beneath the quiet, a gentle sadness woven in the air. She stayed still, letting herself truly feel it. A yearning for something to be known, not fixed. She remembered, suddenly, the feeling of being misunderstood in her early days at Pixie Hollow, how the urge to tinker had once set her apart. She whispered to the glade, "I'm here. I won't try to change you." A shiver traveled through the moss beneath her feet, as if the earth itself sighed in relief. Slowly, the silence became softer, almost comforting, a quiet that was not emptiness, but gentle understanding. Tinker Bell smiled, feeling her wings lighten as the peace of the glade met the quiet acceptance in her own heart. When she stood, the silence did not push her away nor hold her down. Instead, it welcomed her departure, a silent promise, not of noise but of presence.